Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you another annual favorites video, which, I mean, are we fucking tired of these yet? Here, let me sit on my leg because that makes me feel a little more fucking accomplished here. I don't know. I like sitting on my leg. Now I have a wedgie. That's cool. Alright. Oh, it squeaked. I'm giving you guys a favorites video. There's some stuff I've been loving that I've been using. Not a lot, honestly. I feel like I've just been using the same stuff over and over again. So I haven't really been trying a lot of stuff. As you guys know, I'm on a quote unquote no spend this month. Although if you checked out my Instagram, we kind of broke it just a little bit because this baby came into the picture and she is gorgeous and I love her and she's coming to Maine with me. I just have some favorites that I want to share. So if you guys want to watch that, then here we are. And let's just jump right in. This has just been a favorite always. This is the, you guys know what this is. There's barely any left of it because it's that good. The last few weeks I've just been getting, and all of my coworkers, like they come back from their break with us and they're just like, look at me, I got my Starbucks. So every weekend I'm like, I need my Starbucks, fuck you. I'm kidding. This is the Strawberry Acai Refresher. This is a venti. I like to get these every single weekend. Well, not every single, but the last couple weekends I've just been like, you know what? Fuck it, we're gonna get one. And I really love it a lot. And I do like the pink drink by itself, but there's something about a regular Acai. They're just so good. So good. So this is probably my go-to drink if I go to Starbucks now. If not, definitely like teas. I really love teas. I don't really go after fraps anymore. I used to be really into fraps in high school and I'm just kind of like, no, it's all right. And if you hear David, he's playing video games. So if you're just like, why is he screaming like that? That's why. Very random. And I finished the whole thing because these are the best vitamins ever. They taste so good and they're great for you. Most of you know, if you have been here for a long time, I'm a toddler teacher. I work in a childcare center. Kids are constantly getting sick, getting pink eye, hand, foot, mouth. We call HFM. Stomach bugs, just getting sick in general, allergies, you name it. Vitamin C is a big thing. Since I've gotten sick a lot this year, since it's my first year back in the field working in a center again, so I've been getting sick so much. And I know some of you guys have been commenting being like, Sam, I'm concerned for you, you need to go to the doctor. And so I'm like, it's okay, it's all right, I work in a center, it's fine, like I will get over this. So these have really been helping. I've been taking, let's take 3 of these a day if you're over, where does it say it? It says it somewhere. 3 pieces. Children 9 and up. I'm a child. Hi. It says right on the back of different ages of how many to take. If you're like under 3, if you're over 4, like whatever. But these are so good. They taste amazing and it literally doesn't feel like you're taking vitamins. And this is just the vitamin C supplement, 180 milligrams per serving. Immune health. So it really helps your immune system because I definitely need that working with kids, especially my babies, since they are all under 2. Need that because they get sick a lot, like you'd be surprised. This is also another random one I never shared, but is definitely my favorite if you have dry skin, if you wash your hands all the time, like no matter what. Like I use this on other parts of my body too. This is the Soap and Glory Call of Fruity and Exotic hand cream. It is so good. This is what the packaging looks like. I literally stock up on these every time I go to Target because it is the only hand cream. Like Victoria's Secret, who we don't know her, we haven't known her, we're not gonna know her with hand cream. This is the best. It smells heavenly because I don't like their original scent of rose hand creams. Not my thing, but these are so good and it moisturizes my hands so nicely. I would get a lot of dry skin in between my fingers right here from washing my hands and just like around my cuticles, and this stuff really helps. I have one at work, I have one in my purse, I have one in the living room, and this one's from the bedroom. So like, I'm not playing. This stuff is amazing. If you have extremely dry hands or dry skin in general, I would use this on other parts of my body too if I had dry skin. Like it works. It works. The new Jeffree Star Morphe brush set, which has been out for like a month. So Sam, you're late to the game. I know, it's fine. Really do love all these brushes I've tried. I think they all work great. The face brushes are definitely my favorite, along with the spoolie. I do like the eye brushes and the highlighting brush. Overall, love them. Been using them for a month. They're amazing. Speaking of Victoria's Secret, so I kind of take that back right there. I have been using the Victoria's Secret Brow or Never Clear Brow Gel, and it is so good. This is what it looks like. Tiny little spoolie. It works. It holds my hairs down, which I've noticed over time the Essence one that I have been using for so long is just kind of like not doing it anymore. It's just not the business, not cutting it. This has been amazing. It literally just holds them in place. My brows don't feel crunchy. I don't feel like brows as stickers, which that's the best way I can describe it when I use a lot of brow gel, because it just feels like crunchy and just like I just put stickers on my eyebrows and now they feel like this. It's just so weird. Really love this. If you could still find this brow gel anywhere in Victoria's Secret, I think this is one of those things that is definitely worth buying because it works so well. I'm gonna randomly jump into nails for a second. You guys know I stopped getting my nails done the end of December, but I am definitely considering going back and getting them done because they are so bad. They are just so bad and they chip so badly during the week at work and my nails get so broken, so chipped all the time, and I can't really, not that I can't, I don't want to deal with it anymore. So I think I might end up going back to get my nails done sometime in April. I'm not sure yet. But the one nail polish brand that actually lasts on my nails, like I've used Sinful Colors, Pure Ice, OPI, that one's all right too. Inexpensive, cheap, and actually works. The LA Colors Color Last nail polishes, only the bright ones. And there's a reason why I'm only showing you the bright, because I have a light pink color here in Love and it looks really nice, but it takes a few coats to get that opaque look. And it does kind of chip faster. I don't know why than the other ones. Maybe just the formulation's different. I don't know. That I have our Family Ties, which you guys know is the one that started it all. The pink color. Everyone was asking what was on my nails. Family Ties, LA Colors, Color Blast, Walmart, $2. Each of these is $2. They work amazing. I love them. They're just a great polish. This one is in Gravity, really pretty. Love that blue teal color. Keepsake, which is like a really pretty neon orangey color. And then this one on my nails right now is Never Ending, which is really pretty. It's like this nice neon pink color. So if you're looking for some neon colors this spring and summer, LA Colors, honestly, really good, really good. And like I said, since I'm a teacher, I use my hands all the time. I'm picking up the kids, I'm changing diapers, I'm getting their food out, I'm playing with them, you know, like I'm doing so many things and my nails chip so badly usually, but using these polishes about 85% of the time, they don't get as chipped as if I use other polishes. Wow, I was gonna say colors. Now I just have a few foundations I wanted to share with you guys that I've actually rediscovered a couple of them and I really love them. The first one is this Bare Minerals one that I was sent from Influencer, so thank you Influencer. Mine's in Birch 1.5. It is a stick foundation and it is so hydrating. I love this foundation. It just works so well. It has been probably the foundation I've used 2 to 3 weeks out of the month of March. It's just been so nice. Doesn't really have a weird smell to it and it just blends out so easily. Doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your face. So if you're that kind of person that just doesn't really like to wear a lot of makeup, but you want to have something, but you have dry skin or you want that hydrating feel to it, this, you guys remember the Revlon Color Aqua powder? Like this is what this feels like in a foundation form. It's so nice. I think this is gonna be great for summertime because it's just so hydrating. So I definitely will be probably using this all summer because it's just so good. Full coverage foundations. I don't know why. I've just been kind of into the full coverage thing lately. Not today though, clearly. I have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in F6, which is probably too light for me. It is so good, you guys, like so good. I love the applicator. It kind of has like a paint thinner smell to it, like the Wet n Wild one. I will not lie. It blends out so easily. It doesn't feel really heavy and it really just covers everything. Like you're done. Like you got pimples on your face, like this covers it. It's amazing. I don't feel heavy when I wear it. It doesn't feel, it doesn't get like really gross and cakey throughout the day, at least on me. Because a lot of the times halfway through the day, my face will just get really like gross and I could start to feel it, and I don't feel it with this. So this has been really good and I love it. The full coverage one, my OG subbies, y'all know what this is. And if you don't, go back to like 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. This was one of my favorite and still is favorite foundations from the drugstore. Is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation, 16-hour wear. This one's in vanilla. I believe I got ivory a long time ago. They updated their packaging, guys. This used to be a pump in a plastic bottle and now it's in a glass container with a weird applicator. It's like kind of slanted. I don't know what you want to call it. This also does kind of have like a little paint thinner smell to it. Covers everything, looks great. Still the same formula as I remembered years ago. So this is still #1 in my book. If you need a full coverage, this one's great too. I think this one's like $9, $10 and this one is about $6 to $8. Hard Candy kind of went up a little bit with prices, so I'm not quite sure how much this is. And the last thing, wow, this is a short ass video, that I wanted to share with you guys is the new Wet n Wild Loose Highlighter, and I'm So Lit, which looks like that. It is such a beautiful little gold color that I'm actually wearing on my face right now. It is so pretty, but it is very, very pigmented, and a little really goes a long way, because if you just dunk your brush and put it in, like, I mean, if that's your life, girl, you do you. Me, I don't want to wear that much, but it just looks so good. I love it for a drugstore. Let's see, foundation or a drugstore highlighter, loose highlighter. This is really great. Wet n Wild always brings it with the highlighters, like does no wrong. I made the mistake of opening the entire little plastic thing, so it's just all floating around in there. What can you do? However, I don't know if I would buy more than one of these, just because I feel like I have so many highlighters that I really don't need to buy another loose one. Like I have one, like I'm good with this, and this is definitely gonna last me a very long time. So you need a good loose highlighter from the drugstore, Wet n Wild. I'm so lit. I think that's everything. I told you guys I really don't have a lot of favorites this month, so I apologize for that. March has been a month. It has been a month, work-wise, everything-wise. Not only that, still kind of struggling with the eating and struggling with the, not really much with the no spend, but more so with the eating, just kind of struggling with that a little bit. On a positive note, April, I'm going to Maine with my mom and my sister, and I'm very excited about that. And of course, David's birthday is the end of the month. And then pretty soon, my sister's graduating high school, and our wedding anniversary, and our vacation, and oh my gosh, like just so much is happening, which is so nice, but also kind of stressful, but also just a lot of stuff at work. So I'm hoping April's a better month overall, because March has been a little not my favorite. But yeah, with that being said, I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me, and like this video if you enjoyed, and be sure to turn on your little bell notifications so you know when I post a new fucking video, because I don't even know at this point, and I apologize for that. But you know, at this point, life, we're just getting it done. I kind of want to do a mukbang though, mukbang, whatever, because I've never done one, particularly Taco Bell one. Christina Brittany, are you out there? I'm recruiting you for that one. And I just want to do like more makeup videos, like get ready with me with my friends and stuff like that, like when they're free and all that kind of stuff. As you guys know, one of my best friends, Christina, she started her own little Cricut making business. She makes her own like little like cups and stuff, which you guys have seen on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. I had her make a couple or design a couple cups for me. She made one for David for me to give him for Valentine's Day, which is great. And I really love it, how it came out, and it looked amazing. And then she did my little Starbucks cup you guys saw I got for Christmas from one of my kids, and she just like made that, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are looking for anything like custom made, homemade, like Etsy vibes, you get what I'm saying? Like she does shirts, she does cups, she does like basically anything you could ask her for, she could probably do. So I will leave her Instagram down below. For that is Christina Crickets, and you go check her out because she is amazing and does amazing work, and I'm very proud of her. This is a great business thing that she started, and I hope that she continues with it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.